Alright guys, you guys know what time it is. It's rifle hunt means I'm gonna have more videos. Alright, it's currently like 5:02 I wanna say in the morning. We're heading up just for the day to go spot, and then we're heading out again Wednesday through the rest of the week. Hiking, looking for deer. Got about a foot of snow up here. Alright guys, it's Wednesday and we're heading out to leave. Alright guys, it's currently Saturday morning and we haven't seen very much. We saw a good shooter last night and we put him to bed, and now we're gonna go and see if we can't get him tonight, so wish me luck. Alright guys, this sums up the weekend. It is now Sunday. We got a shot off at a buck today and couldn't find him. We think we shot him, but we couldn't really. There wasn't any really good sign of that we got him, so we hiked around for about 2 hours looking for him and couldn't turn him up, so yeah. And this is all we come out with, guys, is a shed. I'll take it.